This is 6 marks issue of debentures. It's a definite question. Yeah. Tunga Company Limited issued 12,012% debentures of 100 each at a premium of 10 each, payable rupees 20 on application, 50 on allotment including rupees 10 on premium, rupees 40 on first and final call. All the debentures were subscribed and money duly received. Pass necessary journal entries. Okay, so what is the information given? The information given, as per the information given, Tunga Company is going to issue 12,000 debentures. Okay, 12,000 is the number of debentures. What kind of debenture it is? It is 12% debentures. Not to worry, they'll just give 5%, 10%. That's the name of the debenture. You can write it as it is. So 12% debentures of rupees 100 each plus premium of 10. Okay, so the company is issuing 12,000 debentures of 100 each at a premium of 10. Now, how this 110 is going to be collected is given as follows. They say rupees 20 on application is payable at application. Then rupees 50 is payable at on allotment including premium. Then rupees 40 at the time of first and final call. Okay, and the remaining amount on first and final call, all the debentures were subscribed and money duly received. Okay, sometimes they will give the question this way. They will say 110 is 110 has to be collected. Now they will say rupees 20 should be payable on application, rupees 50 on allotment, and the remaining has to be paid at first and final call. Now, how do I find the remaining? Is the total money that I have to receive is 100 plus premium 110. Now, this 110 is collected at 20 rupees on application, 50 on allotment. So, next will be how much? It will be collected as 40. Okay, so total this minus 110 will give you 40. Just in case if they say remaining on the first and final call, that's how you find out the remaining amount. Okay, if it's discount, that means 100 rupees plus discount of 10 rupees means 90 rupees. So 20 is collected at application, 50 is collected at the allotment stage. So the remaining will be how much? 20. 60, 70, 80, 90. Yes, the remaining 20 will be collected on first and final call. So depending on how the question is asked, you all can think and start doing it. Okay, now this question is very simple. They've given the amounts directly. So application stage, 20 rupees is being collected, allotment 50, and first and final call 40. 1 minute. Yeah, so as I said, each stage will have 2 journal entries. Now the first one is rupees 20 on application. I said, see, again I'm not going to explain it in detail, just the journal entries I'm going to teach. So when I get the application, money comes in, so I will write bank account debit to debenture application account. So before that, let me write the heading. Heading will be journal entries in the books of whichever company is given there. I think they've mentioned it as Tunga Company Limited, so I'll write Tunga Company Limited. Particulars, ledger folio, debit, amount, that is rupees, credit, rupees. Okay, now this is date column, which is used here as numbers, so you can write date or serial number, it's the same. Okay, yeah, now you will begin with the first entry, which is rupees 20 on application. So when I receive application, I receive money, so it will be bank account debit to what application is it? Because I'm issuing debentures, it will be debenture application account. If it was mentioned as shares, then I will write share application. That's the only difference. Now, how much money am I receiving? 20 on application. On how many debentures? 12,000 debentures. So, 12,000 into 20 will give me 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Okay. So, narration would be being application money received. Okay, You can write the narration, in simple words, like whatever you're doing, write the same thing, but begin it with being. So being application money received. Then after I receive the application money, I need to transfer it to, if it's shares, I will transfer it to share capital account. If it is debenture, I will transfer to debenture account. So what will I write? As I told you, what is being credited will be debited now. So you will write debenture application account debit to what debenture? 12% debenture. So 12% debentures. Now how much will I transfer? The entire 2,40,000 which I got. So it will be 2,40,000, 2,40,000. Okay, so the entire 2,40,000 which I receive, I've transferred. After this is see these two journal entries for journal application stage. So this is 1 and 2. Very simple. Bank account debit to debenture application account, being application money received. Then I need to transfer it to the debenture account. So it will be debenture application account to 12% debenture account. Okay, now understand, you will have a similar kind of sum for 12 marks where shares will be given. So when it is shares, I will just change the name here. So it will be bank account debit to share application account, share application account to share capital account. So instead of 12% debenture, I will write share capital. Okay, instead of a debenture application account application, I will write there share application. Okay, so just the word will change. Instead of 12% debenture, I'll write share capital when it is related to shares, and instead of writing debenture application, I'll write share application there. Okay, so the basic journal entry is bank account debit to debenture application account, being application money received, a debenture application to 12% debenture, being application money transferred, being application money transferred to debenture account. Just write what you're doing, debenture account. Okay, next, the third entry, as I said, you will repeat the first and second in reverse as your third and fourth. Okay, so this will come next, and then this, but instead of application, I will write allotment now. Okay, because it says allotment. See, after I get the applications, I have to allot shares to the shareholders. So when I am allotting shares, I will tell how many shares I am allotting to each person. So I should ask them to pay first. Okay, so it will be debenture allotment account debit to 12% debenture account. Okay, note, you will leave one line after the allotment. See, debenture allotment account to 12% debenture account. Why I have left a line? Whenever the sum has discount or premium, just leave one line. So it will be debenture allotment account debit to 12% debenture. Now how much I'm asking? I'm going to ask them to pay 50 rupees on 12,000. So if 12,000 people, I'm going to ask them pay 50. So which is 6 lakhs. Okay, now 6 lakhs, if there was no premium, I would have transferred the same 6 lakhs here, but this question says including premium. See here, it's clearly mentioned including premium. Now how much is the premium? 10 rupees. And what is that premium for me, for the company? It is a profit. So any profit you will credit it. So I will write to securities premium. Okay, to securities premium account. Now how much is the premium on 12,000? 10 rupees is the premium. So into 10, it says here 10 into 10. So that will give you 1, because it's credit, it is 2. So I will write it in the credit column here. So you will write 1,20,000. Okay, the remaining amount, which is in 6 lakh, 1,20,000, the difference will be 4,80,000. Okay, suppose if there was no premium, then I would have written 6 lakhs and 6 lakhs in 12% debenture. If when it's premium, you will write 2 securities premium. If it is discount, you will write discount is a loss for the company. So you will write discount on issue of debentures account debit. And in debit column, I will write the amount. The difference amount, you will write it in debenture account. Okay. Yeah, the fourth one, after the narration is, sorry, being allotment money due. This is what I'm asking them to pay. Okay, now after I ask them to pay, they will pay me. So what comes to me again? Cash comes in. So it is bank account debit to debenture allotment account. Now, how much money will I receive? The sum ends with a statement saying all the money was duly received. All the debentures were subscribed and duly received. So, how much will I receive? I'm asking these people to pay me 50 rupees, that is 60,000. I'll get the entire 60,000. So, it will be 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs, bank account 6 lakhs, to debenture allotment 6 lakh. Okay, what is the narration? Being allotment money received. Okay, so it is debenture allotment account to security premium to 12% debenture account, allotment money due, then I'll receive. So when I receive, bank account to debenture allotment account. If you check, the same thing has appeared but reverse, and instead of application I've used allotment. See, debenture allotment account to 12% debenture. If there's premium, you write to security premium. If not, leave that line. Okay, the fifth journal entry, the fifth and sixth will be same as third and fourth, but except instead of allotment I will change it as first and final call. So what will I write? Debenture first and final call account debit to, what is it, to 12%. The basic formula, basic equation only you will take, basic journal entry. So first, debenture first and final call account to 12% debenture account. Now how much is the call money due? I'm going to ask these 12,000 people to pay me how much? In the call money it says 40 rupees. So 4. So which is 4,80,000. 4,80,000. What is the narration? Being being first and final call money due. Okay, I'm asking them to pay. So now when they pay, what is the journal entry? Bank account debit to, what will I receive? The first final call money. So you will write to debenture first and final call money account. Okay, final call account. Now how much will I receive? The entire money. So you will write 4,80,000. 4,80,000. Okay, so being call money received. So I repeat, only 6 journal entries. First is bank account to debenture application account, being application money due, received. First I'll receive application money, then I need to transfer to debenture account. So it'll be debenture application account to 12% debenture. If they give 10% debenture, write 10%. If it is 5%, then write 5% debenture. Then allotment due. So debenture allotment account to 12% debenture. If there's premium, I told you to write to security premium. If there's discount, I will write discount on issue of debentures on the debit. Okay, then being allotment money due, then I'll receive money. So bank account to debenture allotment account, being allotment money received, then I have to make first call. So it is debenture first and final call account to 12% debenture, being first and final call money due, then I have to receive money because all the subscribers have paid. They've said all the debentures were subscribed and fully paid. I will receive the entire money. So it is bank account debit to, for what I'm receiving that money, debenture first and final call. So to debenture first and final call. Clear? How much will I receive? The same 4,88,000. Okay, the points you need to remember here is one about the premium. Okay, if there's premium, always write to security premium. If there is a discount, you will write discount on issue of debentures debit. Okay, and write it in debit column. If it is to security premium, you will write it on the credit and then balance it. Okay, another point which I wanted to say is, like, whenever they say premium is 10 rupees. Okay, so premium is extra 10 which is being collected. Sometimes they will say debentures were issued for 100 at a premium of 10%. Now 10% premium means 10% is nothing but 10% on rupees 100, the price of the share, which will give you 10 rupees. So whenever they say 10%, whenever they say 10% on when they issue the shares, okay, shares or debentures, when they say it's 100 rupees plus 10% premium, that means it is 10% on that 100. Okay, if it is 10 rupees and they say 10%,